Fierce winds stoked devastating forest fires in Spain's Girona region. The wildfires have so far killed 3 people and injured 19. Hundreds of emergency workers are battling to put out the fires that have already wiped out almost 20,000 acres of forest. Spanish firefighters, backed up by colleagues from France, are doing all they can to put out the devastating blazes.
We're working with French water bombers, firefighters from France. An emergency unit from our defense force is also joining. We're activating all we can, all available resources.
Girona is a tourist spot bordering with France in Spain's northern Catalonia region. Sarah Sheffer, Reuters.